Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to work with SQLite database and data in R programming language. So I have this R console open in my R Studio, and I'm going to check whether Chinook database entries can be loaded into R Studio, and I will show you how to do that. The first thing, we will set our working directory. I'm going to point to D drive. Okay, now next thing to do is call for library R SQLite. Okay, now once we have that library loaded, I'm going to create one db vector that calls for db connect, and then this method will call for a SQLite method, and next thing goes for db name equals to chinook.db. Okay, now it is loaded into our SQLite database, and I'm going to list tables within this database. So db list tables and point to your db vector, and you get all these tables right here. Next thing to do, we will list the fields by using db list fields, and within this we will pass db as well as specific table. Let's say we want employees, and you get all these tables within that. Now what if you want to get all the data from customers table? In such case, let's say call for a underscore data and then make a query using db get query, and here point to db object and then select star from customers. Okay, we made that query. Now let's get the data, and you see all the content from that table is shown on our console. Okay, now that our work for that table is completed, I don't want to work on database anymore. In that case, I will use db disconnect, and here I pass on that object, so this will disconnect from that Chinook database. Okay, so this was short video on how to work with SQLite database, how to access tables, and how to get value from tables with the help of your R queries. Do note that library that we used is our SQLite.